Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Slidebean. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on free on sign up so first you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or this platform. I don't know the name of sorry, and or you can just log in with your account. I'm gonna log in with my account, so with my identity I'm sorry. So first I'm gonna name myself net tech. After that my email is this one, and after that just make a password. You can join the startup club, which you receive news, and yeah guys, that's really it for the signing up. It's not that hard. Here guys, we can see a dashboard with our presentations. We can see that we can create pitch decks, general presentations. We can see here the investor tracker, the startup calendar, and we can book an expert. But for now I'm gonna show you a presentation. So here we can create a pitch deck with AI. Let's do that. Type in your website URL. Let's say that it's this one, even though this isn't a real website. I think that in the end that there isn't anything, so I'll just here give a brief explanation. Net tech, I make tech tutorials and comparison videos, and let's just analyze this. Wait for a brief second to let the AI do its work, and now we're in. So here guys, here is the whole presentation, the whole pitch deck. We cannot get rid of this, but we can zoom in a little bit to our presentation, I guess. But we can't, I guess. I don't know why it doesn't let us do this, but now we can see that design is really simple. There are just a topic and a main point, and in the side there's a picture that you can replace with your own image. It's made really simple, and it's trying to be typed as brief as possible. We can also see here the features, the solution, the problem, the solution, the features, the case studies, the business model, the milestones and roadmap. We can also see the traction, potential outcome, TAM, secret sauce, team, and financials, projections, and fundraising. It's really as simple as that. The AI does its work, and you can edit the whatever you don't like in the presentation in the pitch deck. It's just up to you and your imagination. The AI can just simply help you start up your pitch deck. If you don't have the startup ideas, your muse the AI can just simply push you a little bit to start doing your tasks, work. It may be like a school presentation. If you'd like to write, you just simply write in your problem and the AI does its thing. But you guys also can make your own presentation, like create a new. After that, you can use a template, like you can start a presentation by from scratch, I meant, and you can use Slidebean agency. But for now I'm just gonna show you how much templates also they have. They have all these kinds of templates that these, and they have free or premium templates, which I'm going to show you the pricing plans after a little bit. Just see that the paid ones may be a little bit more good than the free ones, either though that every template it's good by some or other aspects, and it just depends. There's also a fundraising kit that you can start for free, and it helps you for your brand deck, company profile, one pager, investor pitch deck, financial model, or investor finder. You also have an investor tracker. You can add investors here, and you here can book a expert. So let me show you the paid plans here, guys. So there are two plans for now: the Slidebean All Access plan and the Slidebean Incorporation plan, which is incorporate with our partner Lazo. So the All Access plan is $149, and it gives just these perks, and you can also add on purchase these two perks. But there's also this the Slidebean Incorporation, which is a lot more money than the incorporation one, but you get more perks, a lot more perks, and again you have you can buy add-ons. And that was it for the video tutorial, guys. I wish that I have helped you with it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.